Hey Vincent, do you ever know about the famous Logitech Spotlight? Hey there, I'm not 100% sure what is that. Could you tell me more? In this video, I'm going to review the Logitech Spotlight, what is it and how you can use it. Let's go! This is the Logitech Spotlight that I just got. It costs around 170 Sing dollar, and let's unbox it. As you can see, it's quite sleek and with the modern design, and they have about 3 buttons that you can use, and there's where also a receiver that you can plug into your laptop to connect both of them. And they have given you a very nice cover to protect this Logitech Spotlight that you can just insert your Spotlight after every usage. And there's also a USB-C cable to charge it as well. The first thing that you need to do is to download a Logi Options Plus software so that you can configure the Spotlight. So as you download it, just open it, and right now you are ready to install the software and moving on to configure the Spotlight to have the different effects. Right now we have done, you can see there's a battery and also that's connected via the receiver now. Once it's done, you just set it up, and you can see you can use this software to configure for each of the buttons. And right now we are just doing some testing in the software. Now let's look at some of the features that they have in here. You're able to highlight the text. You are also to have a laser pointer. You can also set timer alerts to be in command until your final slide. Spotlight will also vibrate to notify you of the presentation time and at the end of the presentation. We are now all set and ready to configure our Spotlight. Alright, so you can see there's 3 buttons here. So let's configure the first button here. That's where you can have the laser effects, and you can also have the magnify effects, and of course the final one is the highlight effects that you can use for your presentation. You can also configure each of the other buttons for the next slides and the previous slides for the other actions. That's the beauty of the software. Now, we are ready to give this a test. The first thing is to just take it up, and then you need to put on the receiver. Do take note that you can also connect the Logitech Spotlight with the Bluetooth options if you are running out of the USB port. Now let's give this a try on the real presentations. So you can see I can just magnify the text on the slide. I can also change it to a laser pointer by just double clicking, and then I change it to the highlight. I really love that you can actually project it onto your laptop screen and it will be shown on the screen in the room, and that's fantastic. What do you think? Like, subscribe for more, and I will see you in my next video. Thank you.